Okay, another special one. This is an original MAZDASPEED turbo. Factory fitted, mainly for Japanese and American market. This again, like the coupe I've got, is absolutely mint condition underneath. It's perfect. It's been used in Japan. 198,000 miles. Sato roll cage. Manual steering rack. Little counter on there. ABS, air conditioning, 6-speed, big brakes, limit slip diff, well, hey, and it is fast. This one currently, at the time of putting the video up, is 11,000. Get in touch. Those mirror covers, I did buy one, a yellow one for the coupe. Took me ages to find one. They're a special extra only. But yeah, roof's lovely. Yeah, it's a really cool car. Thanks for watching. But anyway, yeah, for more information, yeah, get in touch.